what I want to talk to you guys about is each one of you in this room have a particular set of skills that make you not a nightmare, but a dream for your particular organization. So what I want to do is I want to spend this session helping you identify it and hopefully use it for your organization and for yourselves.
Hi, my name is Harry T. Cash III. I work at the University of Memphis in the Office of Multicultural Affairs. We had Kameron to come out and do a leadership workshop to help our students become more aware about where they are in terms of their leadership style and also how they can leverage that in connecting with other folks that might have a different style. It was definitely on point from the standpoint of really starting off at a foundational level with our students and where they are in their leadership pathway so that we can groom them and hopefully coach them over the course of the year to be able to elevate not only their organizations but themselves as leaders. Thanks again, Kameron, for taking time out to do this work with our students.
We can get it done now, but let me know what it look like later.
Right. Sounds like y'all got trust issues. That's what it sounds like y'all got. That's what it sounds like y'all got. Chameleons.
For us, it was about just being able to be effective and move with whatever the situation demands, and also empathy in terms of like respecting other people's needs, but still being able to get stuff done.
Yes, absolutely, all that. And you know why? Because chameleons have a all for one and one for all mentality. Because you guys don't care about getting the shine, you care about making sure everybody is contributing the equal amount.
Yeah, so at first I thought I was a turtle, but after the presentation I really found out I was a chameleon. It just took me understanding more about myself and seeing more of the presentation, know that I'm a more empathetic person, and it also taught me how to like interact efficiently with my organization. How can I best advocate as what animal I am to bring the best, skills and stuff to my organization.
Like if I'm a turtle, I don't need to be like going out, talking, recruiting, like that's because probably you're gonna build up a little bit of anxiety, like if I give you that job. So the flamingos are the people who are gonna say, hey, how you doing, man? Hey, we have a program tonight at 5 p.m. Can you, hey, do me a favor, come out, be my special guest. Great. Hey, how you doing? We have a program tonight at 5:06, da-da-da-da-da, I need you. That's the flamingo's job. They are the people, energy people. So make sure that you're putting those flamingos in those positions.
And as for me, it's been like the vice president of my fraternity. Just seeing as me being a flamingo and seeing all of my energetic qualities and just bringing the optimism and compassion to the situation, it showed me, as having different types of animals in my groups. But as being a flamingo, you gotta learn how to, assert and adapt just like a chameleon could to everybody else, especially when you're holding certain types of positions.
The important thing is, as I said, understand yourself, understand others, and then adapt to meet the needs of both of you and the team. Every single animal in the jungle is needed for your organization, for your team to be successful.